Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a contact form using Pointnet Forms. So now let's go back in my website, and after that we need to install a plugin. You can go from here, as well as you can also go from here. In plugins, click on add a plugin. Then you can upload the plugin file. So let me go here and select zip file, and here you can see Pointnet Form version 2.1, and it will take few seconds for the plugin installation. After that we will activate this plugin. So now let's click and activate the plugin, and now plugin is activated. Now let's go back to the forms, and then here you can see simple contact form. This is available, and if you want to add a new form, then you can go here, then scroll down, and you can select the pre-built templates. For example, let me select this one, and now here you can see form is added. Now if you want to add a new field, then you can go here and drag the field here. So now you can select the field type. By default it is selected text. For example, let me add font. So you can also add this one, tell, and after that you can make the field required, as well as you can add the placeholder text and do many more. If you want to remove the field, then you can go here, and if you want to duplicate, then you can use this option. So let me remove this field, then scroll down, and if you want to change submit button text, then you can change here. For example, let me add it send, then click on save button. So now let's go back, click on all forms, scroll down, and here you can see these are the form shortcodes. So let me copy the form shortcode and then add the form into the page. Contact form by Pointnet Forms. Scroll down, then add here shortcode, then publish this page. So now you can add this page anywhere in your website. Now let me copy this link and fill the form. Let's see how it works. So let me add here some detail. You can add any of the text here. After that, click on send button. So form was sent successfully. Now let's go back, scroll down, and let's go here, Point Forms, then database. So you can find out all of the entries here. You can open the entry, scroll down, and here you can see these are the all fields that we have filled in contact